Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule is a mineral supplement that helps prevent and treat low levels of magnesium in the blood. It can also be used to relieve symptoms of too much stomach acid, like stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. Magnesium is essential for the normal functioning of cells, nerves, muscles, bones, and the heart. While a balanced diet usually provides enough magnesium, certain situations can cause your body to lose magnesium faster than it can be replaced from your diet. These situations include treatment with diuretics, a poor diet, alcoholism, or certain medical conditions like severe diarrhea, vomiting, or poorly controlled diabetes. It's important to follow the recommended dosage and take the capsule at the optimal time for best results. When taking Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule, it is important to follow the directions on the product package. It is best to take this supplement with a meal to reduce stomach upset and diarrhea, unless directed otherwise by the product instructions or your doctor. Remember to take each dose with a full glass of water, unless directed otherwise by your doctor. If you are taking extended-release capsules or delayed-release/enteric-coated tablets or capsules, swallow them whole and do not crush or chew them. If you are using the chewable tablets, chew each one thoroughly before swallowing. If you are using a liquid product, be sure to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the dose. Take this medication regularly at the same time each day in order to get the most benefit from it. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment, so it's important not to increase your dose or take it more often than directed. If you experience symptoms of low magnesium blood levels, such as muscle cramps, tiredness, irritability, or depression, be sure to tell your doctor. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience stomach upset or diarrhea, it is recommended to take Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule with a meal to reduce these effects. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical advice. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While allergic reactions are rare, seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you experience any other effects not mentioned, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to take the prescribed dosage daily at the recommended time for optimal benefits. Before taking Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have kidney disease, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Some forms of this product may contain sugar, aspartame, or alcohol. If you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are pregnant, you should only use this product when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding. As for the uses of Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule, the recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this product should be discussed with your healthcare professional. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Optimag 125 mg Magnesium Capsule. This medication can interact with other drugs and affect how they work in your body. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with this drug are cellulose sodium phosphate, digoxin, sodium polystyrene sulfonate. Magnesium can bind with certain medications, preventing their full absorption. If you are taking a tetracycline-type medication, separate the time of the dose from the time of the magnesium supplement dose by at least 2 to 3 hours. If you are taking a bisphosphonate, a thyroid medication, or a quinolone-type antibiotic, ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Also, check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription/herbal products because they may contain magnesium. It's important to ask your pharmacist about using those products safely. As for the optimal timing and daily dosage, it's best to follow the directions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. They can help you determine the best time to take this medication and the appropriate dosage for your needs. If someone has taken too much Optimag 125 mg magnesium capsule and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while residents in Canada can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include slow heartbeat, severe drowsiness, dizziness, confusion, muscle weakness, and loss of consciousness. It's crucial to seek help as soon as possible in case of an overdose. When taking Optimag 125 mg magnesium capsule, it's important to keep up with any required medical tests, like magnesium blood levels and kidney function. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. Magnesium supplements come in various forms and strengths, some of which are available without a prescription. If you're unsure about which product is best for you, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for help. It's also essential to maintain a well-balanced diet while taking this supplement. Foods high in magnesium include avocados, bananas, beans, whole grain cereals, green vegetables, and nuts. This can help ensure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet. As for the dosage, it's best to follow your doctor's recommendation. The optimal timing for taking Optimag 125 mg magnesium capsule can vary, so make sure to discuss this with your healthcare provider. If you forget to take a dose of Optimag 125 mg magnesium capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Optimag 125 mg magnesium capsules at room temperature, away from light and moisture, but not in the bathroom. It's also crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the product, make sure to properly discard it when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. And remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.